What's up? It's Boop. They call me Crazy Boop. In this video, we're learning how to adjust Excel cell size. Let's skip the fluff and do this. First, pick the cell you want to change, let's say A1. Hover your mouse right between row 1 and row 2 until you see this black cross arrow. Hold left click, drag up or down to adjust the row height, like this. Adjusting column width is the same. Hover between column A and column B. Wait for that same black cross arrow. Drag left or right. Done. That's it. If you want to resize multiple cells at once, click and drag to select all the rows or columns you want. Hover between any two of them. Get that cross arrow. Drag once. All of them change at the same time. Adjusting row height works the same way. Select all the rows you want to change. Wait for the mouse pointer to turn into the black cross arrow, then drag up or down. That's how simple it is. Okay, that's all. I gotta go. My dumb boss is staring at me again.